happiness. Can you wave? Hello everybody. Got any bells? Or an instrument? If not, clap your hands. I love this song. Bring me sunshine. Above. Bring me sunshine. Bring me love. Woo! Rainbows, we love those. Who's gonna pray dance? Lady! Which toy have you got near you? Can you grab one? They'd like to dance. Woo. Who's next? Peter! He's dancing. Who's next? Allan! Me love. Woo! Big shake. Can you kick your legs? Big kick. Woo! 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 Happiness. Who's coming now? Kipper! Me. Woo! Bring me love. Yay! Oh, I hope you like that. I did. That's a really nice song. It's a happy song. Bring me sunshine. That's what we all need, isn't it? We all need some sunshine. Sunshine and happiness. Oh, I'm puffed out now. Did you find any toys to dance with you? I found lots. Kipper enjoyed that. So did Peter. I did. Oh. Right, well today I've got a story to read and it's called Mrs Lathers Laundry. And these are the happy family stories which I used to have and read when I was younger. And I got the whole set. They're brilliant. And this is called Mrs Lathers Laundry. And there on the front cover, what can you see in the tub? Having a scrub. That rhymes. Tub and a scrub. Some babies it looked like. Oh. Monday was a bad day. In Mrs Lathers Laundry, Mr Lather was having trouble with the ironing. Oh dear, what's he done? He burned a hole. That's not good. Miss Lather and Master Lather were having a tug of war with washing. You let go, no, you let go. Mrs Lather was going crazy. If I wash one more sock, it's a bit like me in my house with 4 boys to wash their socks. I've got to wash 4 boys' socks and a daddy's socks. And my socks. If I wash 1 more sock, I will go off my head, she said. I am sick of socks. I hate them. Oh, it's not a very happy household, is it? Children are arguing. Mrs. Lather's fed up. Mr. Lather is burning holes in things. Tuesday. So we've got Monday and then we've got Tuesday. Tuesday was another bad day in Mrs. Lathers Laundry. Do you know what they do in a laundry? Do you know what a laundrette is? It's where you can take your clothes if you don't have a washing machine or if you have something too big to wash in your washing machine at home, and you take it to a laundrette, and they have great big washing machines that you can use, and you put some coins in and you can use them and do your washing. It was another bad day in Mrs. Lathers Laundry because Mr. Lather was having trouble with a sheet. Oh dear. The children were playing hide and seek in the washing and they were playing tennis too. Mrs. Lather was going crazy again. If I wash 1 more vest, I will go off my head, she said. I am sick of vests. I hate them. After that, Mrs. Lather put a notice in the window. It said, we wash anything except, what do you think it was except? Except socks and vests. And then Mrs. Lather said, and no pairs of pants either, or shirts, or dresses, or tablecloths or handkerchiefs. I am sick of them all. I hate them. After that, the children put a notice in the window and it said, we wash anything except laundry, which is what you usually wash at a laundrette. Your laundry, your clothes and your bedclothes and your bed sheets. Well, I wonder what she will wash. If she can't wash clothes and she can't wash bedclothes, bed sheets, what could she wash? Wednesday was a quiet day. So we've had Monday and we've had Tuesday and now it's Wednesday. It was a quiet day in Mrs. Lathers Laundry. But Thursday was a surprising day. The first customer came in with a baby. We do not wash baby clothes, said Mrs. Lather. Oh, I do not want you to wash his clothes, said the customer. I want you to wash him. Oh, said Mrs. Lather, and she washed the baby. There they are. After that, more customers came in with their babies. There were rich customers and poor customers, old customers and young customers. There was a big customer with a little baby, and there was a little customer with a big baby. And there were lots more customers besides that. Look at the queue. Look at the queue to get into Mrs. Lathers Laundry with the babies and things to wash. But don't forget, no socks, no pants. At first, Mrs. Lather washed the babies and was happy. I like washing babies, said Mrs. Lather. I love them. They look like they're having a lovely time. There's lots of babies there to wash. She's busy. But by the end of the day, she was sick of them. And the notice in the window said, we wash anything except laundry and, you guessed it, babies. Poor Mrs. Lather, look at her. Friday was another surprising day. So we've had Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and now Friday. In Mrs Lathers Laundry, a customer came in with a dog and a baby. "We do not wash babies," said Mrs Lather. "Oh, I do not want you to wash my baby," said the customer. "I want you to wash my dog." And she washed the dog. Splish, splash, splish, splash, splish, splash. After that, more customers came in with their dogs. There were big dogs and little dogs. There were long dogs and short dogs. There were happy dogs and sad dogs. Black, brown and spotty dogs. So many dogs. And lots more besides. At first, Mrs Lather washed the dogs. And then she got sick of them. And the children washed them. By the end of the day, the notice in the window said, "We wash anything except laundry, babies and dogs." And dogs. Is there going to be anything left to wash? So after Friday, we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Saturday was the worst day of all in Mrs Lathers Laundry. Mrs Lather washed a tramp, a car, a football team and an elephant. Wow. The elephant was from the circus, and Mr Lather and the children washed the elephant too. When they got sick of it, the elephant washed them. Sunday was a good day in Mrs Lathers Laundry. The notice in the window said, "Closed. Closed." Oh dear. What could be worse than an elephant? When Monday came round again, Mrs Lather was feeling cheerful. "Will you be going crazy today, Mum?" said the children. "No," said Mrs Lather. "I feel cheerful now." She began to laugh. After all, what could be worse than an elephant? 6 elephants? 6 elephants? Shall we count them? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then there's one just off the page, 6. 6 elephants in a row. Roar. Can you make the sound like an elephant? Roar. Roar. Your big trunk. Right, should we sing the Days of the Week song, seeing as that book had a lot of days of the week in it? Should we try? Are you ready? Can you get 7 fingers ready? Because we have 7 days in our week. Should we check we've got 7 fingers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or we can do it this way. Quick shortcut. 5, 6, 7. 5, because we know we've got 5. 5, 6, 7. It's a shortcut. Okay. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Each day different and every day new. Very good. Should we do it again? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Each day different and every day new. Oh, that was lovely. What should we sing now? Shall we do Twinkle, Twinkle? You ready? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Very good. How about we sing Wind the Bobbin Up? Are you ready? Wind the bobbin up, wind the bobbin up, pull, pull, clap, clap, clap. Wind it back again, wind it back again, pull, pull, clap, clap, clap. Point to the ceiling, point to the floor, point to the window, point to the door. Clap your hands together, 1, 2, 3. Put your hands upon your knees. Yay, give yourselves a round of applause. Well done. That was brilliant singing and brilliant listening, and I hope you have a lovely day. See you tomorrow. Bye.